If you can't, then who can? Good morning, students. If you feel one of the subject is difficult to study during the exam, what do you think? You may think just you need a pass mark. The minimum mark required to get pass is 40 out of 100. Similarly, the minimum amount of mass which is required to participate in a chemical reaction is known as equivalent mass. Let's see briefly about equivalent weight. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand what is equivalent mass and how to find the equivalent mass of acids, base, atoms and molecules. Equivalent weight. It is defined as the mass of an element or compound or ion which combines or displaces one part of hydrogen or 8 parts of oxygen or 35.5 parts of chlorine or 108 parts of silver by mass. Formula for equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of element is equal to atomic mass divided by valency. Equivalent weight of molecule is equal to molecular mass divided by valency. Atomic mass is nothing but sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Molecular mass is nothing but sum of the atomic masses of all atoms present in that molecule. Then valency is nothing but combining capacity of an atom. Let's calculate the equivalent weight of oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 16, whereas valency of oxygen 2. So 16 divided by 2, it's give 8. The equivalent weight of oxygen is equal to 8. Third formula, equivalent weight of an acid is equal to molecular mass of an acid divided by basicity of an acid. Basicity is nothing but how much amount of hydrogen present in that acid. For example, equivalent weight of hydrochloric acid HCl is equal to molecular mass of HCl divided by 1 because hydrochloric acid has only one replaceable hydrogen. Another one example, equivalent weight of H2SO4 is equal to molecular mass divided by 2. Here H2SO4 has 2 replaceable hydrogen. Fourth formula, equivalent weight of a base is equal to molecular mass divided by acidity. The equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to molecular mass divided by 1. Here acidity of NaOH is 1 because NaOH has only one replaceable OH ion. Another one example, equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide formula CaOH twice is equal to molecular mass divided by 2. Here calcium hydroxide consists of 2 irreplaceable OH ions. Fifth formula, equivalent weight of salt is equal to molecular mass divided by positive or negative charge. For example, equivalent weight of sodium chloride is equal to molecular mass divided by 1, and equivalent weight of barium chloride BaCl2 is equal to molecular mass divided by 2. Let's find the equivalent weight of H2SO4. Molar mass of H2SO4 is equal to 98. Basicity of H2SO4 is equal to 2. Formula for finding equivalent mass is equal to molar mass divided by basicity. So 98 divided by 2, we get answer as 49 gram per equivalent. Next, equivalent weight of KOH. Molar mass of KOH is equal to 56. Acidity of KOH equal to 1. Formula E equal to molar mass divided by acidity. So 56 divided by 1, it's give 56 gram per equivalent. Let's recall today's class. Today we have learned definition and formula of equivalent mass. The mass of an element that combines or displaces 1 gram of hydrogen or 8 gram of oxygen or 35.5 gram of chlorine. Formula E equal to molar mass divided by equivalence factor. Let's check how much you understood. Give the formula to find the equivalent mass of an acid. Yes, the correct answer is E equal to molar mass divided by basicity. Thank you for watching.